apple cider vinegar for unpleasant odors. Apple cider vinegar acts as a natural deodorant because it destroys bacteria. It is enough to wipe your armpits with apple cider vinegar once a day. In order to prevent feet sweating, soak them 2 or 3 times a week in a bath containing 75 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Vinegar is one of the most healing gifts of nature, and its millennium-long usage proves it. One of the most famous vinegars is apple cider vinegar. It is believed that it has been used for treatment for at least 10,000 years. The father of medicine, Hippocrates, recommended it as a healing elixir. Since the old days, various people used it as preservative, deodorant and tonic for vitality, strength, disinfection and fast healing of wounds. Apple cider vinegar contains 19 out of 22 important minerals for growth, regeneration and health of our body, including potassium, sodium, magnesium, calcium, boron, phosphorus, sulfur, iron, fluorine. It also contains vitamins C, E, A, B1, B2, B6, beta-carotene, bioflavonoids, pectin, malic and acetic acids.